Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. I really wasn't planning to film this video today, and then I got a lot of stuff and a lot of new and different stuff than I normally get, so I thought I would share it with you. I also like to throw in a couple of meal ideas as well. So yeah, let's get started. So starting with protein, I picked up this shrimp because it was on sale this week from Kroger. It's normally like $15 or $17 and it was on sale for $11. So this is a shrimp that we cook pretty much whenever we cook shrimp. This is what we use. It's a sandbar raw shrimp, shell on, easy peel. So you do have to cook it, but the shell comes off super easy. We're gonna be making like a pesto shrimp pasta with tomatoes for dinner tonight. I grabbed, and I already have some in the freezer. I just wanted to swap it out because I always just pick it up if it's on sale. I grabbed some fresh chicken thighs with the skin on, bone in. These are really good in the air fryer. Scott puts like salt on the skin, and the skin kind of like shrivels up and gets really crispy, and it's really good. And then I just picked up another thing of chicken breast, giant thing of that. My staple, the smoked turkey breast from Trader Joe's. Like for the price, it's just super affordable. I think it's like $3 for a pack of that, and it'll last me a little over 2 lunches because I do over 2 servings. So actually there's only 3.5. So it'll last me, yeah, it only lasts me about 1 serving, 1.5 servings, but it gives me 2 lunches. Either way. I also got some eggs. These are just the large eggs from Kroger that I like, the brown eggs. That's everything for protein. I thought I got more protein. That's everything for protein. Got a ton of veggies this week. Got some gold potatoes. Scott's gonna be making a recipe for some friends tomorrow, so I got some extra things for that. I had a cauliflower. We just haven't had cauliflower in a while. This is new from Trader Joe's, and I've actually never seen these anywhere, or maybe I have, I just didn't know that that's what they were because they don't look like it from the outside. These are the watermelon radishes, so they look like this. They're really fun for like avocado toast, and Scott was thinking about pickling it, putting it on salads, whatever. They're just really fun and pretty looking. And I also like the crunch that they add. I love radishes. But yeah, that's a new item from Trader Joe's. I got a bunch of red bell peppers, like always. Those are a staple. I got these sweet cherry tomatoes on the vine. I like these on the vine. I just feel like they stay fresher longer. But I got these, and then I also just got the mini pearls. These we're gonna be using in a recipe for tomorrow, but these might go in the pasta tonight. I also just really like to chop them in half, salt and pepper. Avocados at many different varieties of ripeness. Spinach, I've been buying one of these probably every week. It's like my second trip that I go every week, or every 2 weeks, whatever. Spinach, I've been incorporating in my smoothies. I've been doing a ton of smoothies. I have a super basic recipe, but I'll link the video where I talk about my smoothie down below for you guys. I basically was obsessed with Smoothie King's Slim and Trim, and I got sick of spending like $6 for a smoothie every day, so I decided to make it myself, and I love it. Got some haricot vert green beans because these are the only ones that Scott likes, and I love green beans. They're probably one of my favorite vegetables. A cucumber. I got some broccolini. I didn't get any asparagus or zucchini this week, which is strange for me, but I forgot that. Got some regular russet potatoes. I love baking French fries in the air fryer with that. 2 cloves of garlic, and then 3 sweet onions. Also got some jalapenos. I get my jalapenos from Kroger's only because they actually are spicy. The ones from Trader Joe's I think stink. They're just not spicy. They taste like a green pepper. Got some cremini mushrooms, and then some baby arugula for a recipe for tomorrow as well. But also I got stuff to make sandwiches and wraps, pitas. So I thought that arugula would be good in there as well if we don't use it all. What else? Oh, a ton of bananas. I think I got 11 bananas. Again, for smoothies. Some lemons. 2 things of raspberries. These were on sale from Kroger this week. I need to stop buying them, honestly, because I feel like they're not in season, so they're just not as good as normal. These grapes, though, I'm not a huge grape fan, and Arlo's obsessed with grapes, and yeah, I just never bought them, but these ones from Trader Joe's are actually so crispy and crunchy and actually really good. They're the Sun Disc. I don't know if you can get them anywhere, but These are so good, and I can only find them at Kroger or at Trader Joe's. I can't find them at Kroger, but they're awesome. So if you see them, pick them up. All right, now let's move into dairy. Ooh, giant thing of whole milk for Arlo. My favorite creamer, which is just the Natural Bliss almond one. I got, what did I get? 6. These are only 4, but I got 6 banana cream yogurts from Oikos. They're my favorite yogurts ever. They're just so good and super high in protein, but I just love the way they taste. I also got a couple of these. I haven't had these in a long time. These are the Chobani Flips. The peanut butter cup is one of my favorite, the peach cobbler, and then the strawberry cheesecake. I got these for like a dessert option. I've just been really craving sweet stuff at the end of the night, so that would be a good way to satisfy that craving. I got some vanilla whole milk yogurt, Greek style, for Arlo to put in his reusable pouches. The one that I bought from Trader Joe's, or have bought from Trader Joe's in the past, just tasted a little weird to me, and he just wasn't obsessed with it. And there was a yogurt that we got, I feel like it was Stonyfield or whatever. I couldn't find it at my Kroger, but we got it when we were up north in at Wegmans, and he loved that stuff, so I'm hoping to find this again, but this had the lower sugar for whole milk yogurt, which is what I'm looking for him. I don't want it to be full of sugar, even though he would like it to be that way. And I could always just flavor it with natural vanilla, but we just picked that up. We'll see how he likes it. I've never tried this before from Trader Joe's. This is the organic buffalo style hummus, smooth and creamy. I'm excited to throw that into like sandwiches, wraps, things like that. And this pesto I've tried before, but it's been a long time. This is the vegan kale cashew basil pesto, and we're gonna use this tonight for our pasta. I got just some sharp cheddar cheese. I got some sliced Swiss cheese, like I said, for sandwiches and wraps. I've really been loving sandwiches lately. Light string cheese, I eat one of these every single day, specifically for lunch. I got us just a normal Greek yogurt, whole or non-fat. I use this in replacement of mayonnaise, sour cream, all that good stuff. I got some mac and cheese, which I never do, but I thought we're really struggling with what to get Arlo for his meals because he's just really picky right now, and I don't know, it's just trying to get different things into his diet. Obviously, mac and cheese isn't the healthiest, but these aren't terrible. So this is the Annie's Yummy Bunnies and cheddar. I'm pretty sure they put like veggies in there as well. I have no idea. The shells and middle-aged cheddar, and then the Farm Friends and cheddar. I thought those would be cute because they're like animal shaped. I don't know. They were on sale at Kroger. I got some blackening seasoning from Kroger. We love this. Scott's gonna use this for scallops tomorrow night, I believe. So this is just this. I got 2 of those because those are good. If you don't use blackening seasoning, try it out. You will love it. I grabbed some pickles from Trader Joe's. These aren't the ones that I wanted, but they were like sold out of all their pickles. I used to love their hot and spicy chips, pickle chips, but those were sold out. And then I just wanted like the original, like not speared, because I feel like they're crispier, but they didn't have them. But if I'm gonna have sandwiches, I need a pickle. I got some garbanzo beans. We literally like ate an entire can of this the other day while watching a movie. Arlo, myself, and Scott. So I grabbed another one to replace in the pantry. And then some green chilies for a recipe for Scott. Pantry stuff. I got some pasta for tonight, bow tie pasta. Just some basic sugar. Scott uses this in recipes and whatnot, so just some basic sugar because we were out. Some bread. I really enjoyed this the last time I got it, and I feel like it's easier for Arlo to make like peanut butter and jellies or grilled cheese, whatever. This is the Dave's Killer, but it's the thin sliced one. I really enjoyed it. Butter tortillas. I already broke into these because they're so good. They sell these at Central Market and H-E-B, but I haven't been able to find them at Kroger, and now they started carrying them, and they're so freaking good. Like I said, I wanted to make pitas and wraps and whatnot for lunches this week, so I just got some whole wheat pitas. I like putting tuna salad in there, egg salad, all that good stuff. I got myself and Scott a green pressed juice. I don't know, just a good little beverage. I also got these, which I feel like these kind of remind me of Poppy. So we'll see, because I just fell in love with those poppies. They were so good. But this is a sparkling apple cider vinegar beverage. This is the ginger lemon and the lemon strawberry, so hopefully those are good. I grabbed some Fig Little Newton cereal bars for Arlo snacks. cheese crackers for Arlo snacks. These Patio potato chips for me. These are so good. They are sea salt and vinegar, dill, ketchup, barbecue, potato chips all mixed into one. Amazing. This, I just love this. This is the dill pickle and a popcorn. I don't know if that's permanent, but it is so good, so I hope it is. Okay, update on the pasta I got from last time, which was the pepe, I don't even know what it was. I'll leave a picture right here. I wasn't impressed with it. It was okay. It just wasn't, it didn't blow my mind. Not like the gnocchi, which is really good. So I decided to try this one this time. Because they didn't have the fettuccine, which is what somebody recommended. One of y'all recommended it to me. So this is the focaccia, I think. Flochetti? I have no idea. With pink sauce. So it's pasta pockets, or pasta pouches filled with ricotta, taleggio, I don't know what that is. Mozzarella cheese with a rich, creamy tomato sauce. So I'm excited to try those. Hopefully they're good. Some fire roasted corn for a recipe, but we also always just have that on stock. Got some more canned vegetables for Arlo, so green beans, corn is his favorite, and then got another green bean and a peas. Also grabbed him some little cinnamon squares, like Cinnamon Toast Crunch from Trader Joe's. He's never tried that before, but I thought it'd be just like a quick thing to like throw when we're like headed out the door for like a quick little snack. I grabbed some beer from Trader Joe's. This is the Parker County Peach. It's really good. Not the sour, but we really like the original one. And it's like a limited summer release. So picked that up again. And then I picked up some bubbly. So I've never tried this specific kind. This is the, it's upside down. This is the 35 milligrams of caffeine, which isn't a ton. So I feel like it'd be good for like a nice like midday pick-me-up. So I grabbed that flavor in the mango passion fruit. I have tried this flavor before, which is the grapefruit, which I love. And then last but not least, this is a new flavor I've never tried, which sounded delicious, was the white peach ginger. So how good does that sound? Are you a LaCroix fan or a bubbly fan? I don't know. I'm normally a LaCroix fan, but that, like, they were the same price, 3 for $10. So I was like, this white ginger or white peach ginger really was like, okay, I'm getting this instead of LaCroix. So that is everything that I got this week. It was quite a big haul. Not a ton of meat because we actually have a decent amount of meat still in the freezer, but lots of fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to keep seeing videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.